What's up guys, welcome to Apex, thanks for tuning in. Finally, after a long wait, I have received the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic here. This is the LTE variant. As you can see, it says LTE, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and GPS. And this is the silver color I have got, and this is the 47mm variant I have got here. In this video, let's quickly unbox this beauty and let's quickly compare this with the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro as well. And the full detailed review will come up probably after a few days. I will post that, so stay tuned for that video. For now, let's check out this beauty. Let's unbox this. This is a completely sealed box, as you can see. All right, here we go. This is a very simple package. We've got the watch right here and it looks just gorgeous, as you can see here. Let me just quickly check out what else we have got in the box. We do have some paperwork, I believe, and we should be having a charger as well here. This is the charger we have here, the wireless charger, and we have got some paperwork. Yes, there is some paperwork here. That's it. Now let's quickly look at the watch here. This strap looks and feels really premium, guys. This has got this leather finish on the top with some stitches. It's obviously fake stitches, but it looks just amazing. Guys, this watch doesn't feel heavy. Though this is a stainless steel frame and it has got this rotating bezel and it's about 59 gram in weight, it doesn't feel that heavy. And even the size that I've got here is 47mm. We do get 43mm and 47mm. Now, as you can see, I have got a lean wrist here. I've got 15 centimeter wrist, and this watch is 47mm in size, and it looks pretty fine for me. So if you have a wrist size of 15 centimeter or above, you can go ahead with the 47mm watch. This suits perfectly fine on your wrist. And this rotating bezel, guys, this gives us such a good feeling when you rotate it. It's a pleasure to use this rotating bezel for sure. And I'm glad this is back this time with the Galaxy Watch 6 series. I was really missing it on the Watch 5 Pro, though that's a great watch. This is something which I was missing on that particular watch. But now Samsung has brought this back and this is just amazing. Now on the right hand side of the watch, we have got these two buttons here. One is a power button and the other one is back key. So this has got some red accents as well here. As you can see, it looks just beautiful. Now let's talk about the watch's strap here. As you can see, the mechanism has changed now. Earlier on the Watch 5 Pro, we had this kind of a magnetic strap, which was kind of annoying. Like I mentioned earlier, it was a little difficult to charge the watch because you could not place this band flat on the table. That was kind of annoying. And then we do have these pins here to remove the watch band, which is again kind of not that easy compared to the one which we have got here. So let's try this one. We have got this button here. We just have to press this button to take this off. As you can see, it is very easy to take this off. Now I'll just have to press this back again and I will put it back here, and that's it. We are done. Now this is how the exteriors of the watch looks. Now let's turn this on and connect with the phone. I've got the Galaxy S23 Ultra here. I will turn on the phone. Let's quickly pair this up. I will open the wearable application here, the Galaxy Wearable. Let's open this up. Now I will tap on the menu. Here I've got the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro connected already. I'll tap on add a new device. Let's wait for the watch to turn on. Here we go. It's showing up the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. I will tap on this. It is showing me the code here. I'll just tap on confirm. Now the app on the phone is going to download this software. This looks pretty cool here. As you can see, this graphics, this download animation looks pretty cool. Now this is downloaded. I'll tap on agree to all, continue, allow, I agree. It asks get updates automatically. You can tap on update manually or get automatic updates. I will tap on automatic updates for now. It says getting your watch ready. It is going to take some time when you pair a brand new watch with your phone, so be patient. Now it is asking me to log into my Google account. I'll tap on continue and give the access to the watch. It's signing into my account now. Now while installing, it's going to show you some of the installed applications on your watch, and it will also recommend you some of the applications. So if you want any of them, you can just select them and tap on continue to install those applications. For now, I'll just go ahead and continue. And this is important. It says automatic watch backup. You can tap on next. Restore your watch with Samsung Cloud. You can restore your watch from the Samsung cloud if you have already backed up the data in your previous watch. So I've got the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic here, Galaxy Watch Active 2. Let me just tap on Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. I will tap on Restore. My alarms and settings are being restored here. It will ask you choose a wrist and button position for how you will wear your watch. Preferred wrist left, button position right of the screen. So this is perfect. I'll go ahead and tap on next. Even if you want to turn it on, you can do that. Get help in emergency. It's basically telling you how to use the watch. Tap on next, next, next. It says set up a mobile plan. Set up a mobile plan to call, text and go online from your watch when your phone is not with you. To start setting up a mobile network for your watch, device information, IMEI, SIM card info, model name of your mobile device and watch will be transmitted to the mobile network operator. Please read your mobile network operator's privacy policy carefully regarding how your watch data is processed. Now, since this is an LTE variant, you can set up a mobile plan. If you don't want it, you can just skip it by tapping on skip button here. What I'll do is, for now, I will skip this. I will probably make a separate video on how to set up the eSIM on the watch. For now, let's skip this. It says finishing up. Now, any moment, the watch should be on. Yes, here it is. It says you are all set. Now this watch is paired with the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Now while this is starting, let me tell you that this watch comes in two different colors, the silver, which I have here, and then we have got the black version and two different sizes, 43mm and 47mm. And this particular watch here, 47mm, weighs about 59 grams and the 43mm unit weighs about 52 grams. And this watch comes with Exynos W930 dual-core 1.4 GHz chipset, which is supposed to be slightly faster than the previous generation watches. Then we've got 2 GB memory, 16 GB storage. And this particular variant has got 425 mAh battery. I will do a battery test on this watch and share the battery test results very soon, so stay tuned for that video as well. This watch does have fast charging, and then we have got the Wear OS powered by Samsung's Wear OS 4, which is on this watch right now. The One UI version will be 5. I will again make a separate video on all the features that we get on One UI 5 on this watch and compare that with One UI 4.5. Apart from this has got all the sensors, Samsung Bioactive sensors, which includes optical heart rate, electrical heart rate signal, bioelectrical impedance analysis, temperature sensor, accelerometer, barometer, gyro sensor, geomagnetic sensor, light sensor and 3D Hall sensor. So all these sensors are available on this watch. And this watch is 5 ATM water resistant with IP68 rating. Now let's quickly use this rotating bezel. Let's see how it feels. This is pretty good, guys. It feels amazing to scroll through these applications. Even if you are going through the tiles, I'll just swipe on the right and let's rotate this bezel to go through these tiles. This is very, very convenient way of navigating the watch. This is just fantastic feature. Now let me just bring in the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro and show you how this looks when compared to the Watch 6 Classic. As you can see, in terms of size, it looks almost similar. I would say almost exactly same. In terms of weight, this is obviously a little heavier because this packs a bigger battery compared to the Watch 6 Classic. In terms of the battery life, this offers more than 3 to 4 days of battery life on this watch. And I'm sure this is going to give me a maximum of 2 days of battery life. Like I said, I will go ahead and test this and I will review this watch very, very soon. Now, in terms of the thickness, you can see this is pretty big. The Watch 5 Pro is big. And again, you know, this suits most of the wrists, anything above 15 centimeter wrist. This watch should suit perfectly well. So there is no issue with that. Now, in terms of look and feel, obviously the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic is much, much better. This is more sportier version. This is sporty as well as classic variant. This goes very well with the formals as well as the casual attire. This is more of a sportier version of the watch that we have here. All in all, both these watches are great. This has better battery life, this has better looks, and there are many other minor differences, but not something which you really have to upgrade from this watch to this watch. I've already made a few videos comparing these two watches in the past. You can go ahead and check those videos out, and in the future I will come up with some videos showing you the features of this particular watch and the tips and tricks for this, and we'll also compare all the features on this and this watch, and I'll let you know whether it is worth upgrading from the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro or not. So stay tuned for those videos. For now, this is all I have got here. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. I will see you in the next one. Cheers. Bye-bye.